Sissy, Santa was here. Do you want to get up and see what Santa brought? Sissy? Hey. Santa Claus was here. Your brother wants to go get his presents. Do you want to get up and see them? It's Christmas. It's Christmas. Santa was here. You better get up and see before Chunker gets all the presents. I think you got to check in your room first. Check under your little tree and see what might be in the little tree. Ooh, what's that?
It's a big star.
Do you want to go see what's in the big tree?
Yeah.
Santa bring you?
He bring me a big star.
Just what you wanted, huh?
Get
It lights up. Wow, that's cool.
Let's go see what's in the big room. Come on, Chunker. Hold on, Sissy. Wait for your brother. All right, let's go.
Look!
What is it?
Look it!
Chunky, what did Santa bring you?
Guitar. What are the stockings? It fell in the fireplace.
Just put it down. Chunky, what do you have from Santa?
Fireplace.
What did Santa bring?
Which one do you think is yours and which one's Chunk's?
I know. This is Chunks because it has the guitar. Guitar.
Chunk. I think it's a guitar.
My guitar.